Alex said no because,
All right, here we go.
we didn't have like a note or whatever.
You are being recorded right now.
Right, so I recorded, and yeah, I was.
Yeah.
Well, people watch the videos and be like, what is it? I mean,
Well, nobody watches the video anyway.
Really nice, Isaiah.
Well, I'm saying,
It's
like,
true.
It's
Facts.
true, so.
Yeah, it's not.
Because no one's gonna be home because we're so healthy.
Oh, Connie, Isaiah.
All right, just stop.
No.
All right, so 6.4, solving absolute value inequalities. Do you need me to change the color of my pen, or can you read this okay?
Is it a green pen?
Yep.
You should have used that yesterday. Well, we did play.
So, we're going to go right into some examples. Do you guys remember solving absolute value equations with me where you had to split them into two equations? And one was positive and one was negative. Do you remember we used to have like arrows that would look like this and this? Okay. All right. So we're going to do that again, but this time, what happens when you have a negative? When you multiply by a negative, what do you have to do? Flip the sign. So here's how this is going to work. The first one is going to look just the same like it used to, just without the absolute value. So it's m plus 5 is less than 3. And the other one is going to look like m plus 5 is greater than negative 3. So not only do you make it negative, but you flip the sign on the second one. Then we're going to solve it. What should I do for this one? Minus 5, that's m is less than negative 2. Okay, this one's also minus 5, that is m is greater than negative 8. All right, here's negative 8, here's negative 2, here's 0. Open or closed?
Open.
They're both open. By the way, absolute value problems, since they start from one problem, they're both going to be closed or both be open every time. Okay, so let's look at it together. I want you to think before you say something, okay? So don't say anything yet, just think. We need it to be less than, look up guys, it needs to be less than negative 2. And it needs to be greater than negative 8. Can you imagine it in your head? Think less than negative 2, greater than negative 8. So my question is, are these going in or out? Show me with your hands. In, okay, because it's going to be less than this one and greater than this one. So in. You can just connect them if you want, or you can have two with arrows like that. All right. Not too bad? All right, your turn. You're going to try one with your partner. Let's do the absolute value of 2m minus 9 is greater than 13. All right, now talk to your partner. The first thing you're going to do is split it up into two problems. Talk to each other. Talk.
And then we just flip it over and do this one.
Yeah.
Well, good job. We got you to do problems. Oh, yeah.
Just 13 plus 9.
My 13 plus 9 is 22.
The other one,
Oh, wait.
less than.
4. Calculate.
Oh, it does, right?
4.
Yeah, yeah. So it's m is greater than 11.
16,
And then m is less than. Okay. So we got this, right? No.
Negative divided by positive.
Wait, you have,
You did that.
No, I'm small.
yeah, you took it wrong. You said it was positive 4.
Did you flip this one?
Negative.
No, what did you do?
You don't hit the sign, that's just
Wait, what did you do?
Wait, they can both go one way, right? Or can they only both go out or only both come in?
This one, they should be going, let's see.
Ow, right? Yeah, what did you do?
Did you remember to switch the sign on your second one?
Nope, he didn't, because he said you didn't.
No, he did, he has it.
Why are you supposed to?
Oh, wait, no, this one's not flipped. This one's supposed to be the other way. This one's supposed to be the other way.
I didn't define my negative.
No, yeah, but this will. This is right. Okay, so this one's right, but this one
No,
needs
you
to
only
be the
flip
other
it,
way.
if, let's say that it was negative 2 and you only flip
Yes.
That's what you're supposed to do, this needs to be flipped
Yeah.
Greater than
right away.
No, I make it
No.
Wait, I thought we were gonna have that this thing and like no
Well, yeah,
homework.
I know, but it's.
Consumer math.
You know, it's really hard having either two of my teachers because then I get an
And these ones go out.
Did you still get negative two?
Must be horrible having me twice a day.
I know, I did that.
but I mean.
You just gotta try to survive, you know, like, you gotta try to do your best.
I mean, because I have 2 like closer partner days and then I had 2 pie days that one day. And then I had 2, I get 2 chances to get a prize, you know, there's something plus.
Gotcha.
But then again,
Sure, we've gone on baseball all
it's just really, really
A weekend.
confusing, you know, to make it better, you should just not have anything going on in both classes.
Of course.
That would be so much.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Everybody ready? Okay. So, should we, have somebody come up here?
Yeah. So you wanna go up here, right?
All right. I've got, should we just have out, gum today and,
Yes, keep going.
gum and, on water signs?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, hands up if you and your partner want to talk.
You want to?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Eight's a good number.
5.
You didn't do it.
I was trying.
Who's our 5?
That's us.
All right, do you guys want to come up here or you want to talk me through it from a distance?
I'll take over.
Talk? Okay, why don't each one of you do one of them?
Okay, so one of them is 2m minus 9 is greater than 13, so then you do plus 9, and 13 plus 9 is 22. 2m divided by 2, and 22 divided by 2, m is greater than 11.
Okay.
And then for the other one, you have 2m minus 9 is less than negative 13. You would add 9 on both sides.
Hold on. Hey, if you're going to be rude, I'm going to ask you to leave my room. Isaiah, look at me. If you're going to be rude, I'm going to ask you to leave my room. Be polite and pay attention right now. Stop trying to make each other laugh. Riley, you too? Come on. You're not only being rude to your classmates, you're being rude to me. And I'm getting sick of it. Go on.
You add 9 on each side to get 2n is less than negative 4. Then you divide by 2 on each side to get n is less than negative 2.
Okay. So make a number line. I've got -2, 0, and 11. Open or close, guys?
Both of them are open.
Open and what? Oh, open and open. Okay. And then should they go in towards each other or out, away from each other? Out. That? Okay. Beautiful. Well done, you two. Come get prizes. Would either of you like M. Winter signs?
No.
You want them? What went wrong?
I did it wrong. Oh, whoops.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna give away 2 more prizes, and these are going to be 2 problems that are very fast. And we're not even gonna be doing math with them, we're just gonna be talking about them. So write down the problem, but that's all you need to do. Absolute value of x minus 6 is greater than or equal to -5. And the absolute value of x minus 6 is less than or equal to -5. 2 different problems, yep.
For one thing, no.
We'll do example 3 and 4. We're gonna have 2 prizes out. And this won't be between you and your partner, this will just be personally.
Oh.
But we're not gonna do the math here, so don't start doing math, just wait. Just write down these problems and wait.